My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, my YouTube channel. Yeah man, it's all about Jerry's farm. We're on Jerry's farm right now, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you, my people, my viewers, Jerry's farm, you know? It's all about farming.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers, we are on Jerry farming, you know? Yeah, Jerry's little farm, you know? It's all about some sweet over here, all right? And as you can see, we have pumpkin here. Yeah, it's all about farming, my people. You know, once you plant something, you have to reap. We have some cocoa here, some lovely pumpkin here, as you can see. You notice every farmer always have pumpkin. You know what I mean? We have some dasheen here. Dasheen. We have banana. Yeah? Have banana here, my viewers. Yeah man, it's all about Jerry's farm, you know. Yeah, we have a root of sweet cane here, sugar cane. Yeah, it's all about Jerry's farm, my viewers. We have a big bank of yam here. This is renter. Yeah, as you can see, my people. Wow, but this banana shoot. So when the banana fit, you have to cut off the banana and leave the banana tree for the yam. My viewers, check this out. Check this out, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah. Lovely bank of yam here. My viewers. Renter. Have some more cane here. Yeah, this is the red ribbon cane. My viewers, you have pumpkin here. You have pumpkin here also. You know what I mean? Yeah. Pumpkin here, my viewers. Next bank is over here. No yam don't go into that bank as yet. We have some red ribbon cane here. Alright, my viewers. It's all about Jerry's farm. Yes, my viewers, still on Jerry's farm. Have some lovely tomato here. Yeah, this is a home farm, you know. Yeah, nice root of tomato here, as you can see, tomato. Yeah, have a nice patch of here, sir. Oh yeah, in the midst and pumpkin, potato and pumpkin in the midst. Alright, my viewers. Yeah. Okay, Jerry. Sir Jerry, this is some sweet cassava. Alright.
Yeah, planting right here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
See, sweet cassava, my viewers. This is a planting.
Yeah, this is a planting catching right now.
Yeah? Real Jerry. Alright. The vine of this pumpkin is very big, very huge. Very huge. You know? Very huge. The vine of this pumpkin is very huge. It start to bear it?
About to.
About to. Alright. Yeah.
Only for sweet cassava down here.
Yeah man, for real.
You can see the views. The sweet cassava.
Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah man. So yes, Jerry, long time you do the farming?
Couple of years now.
Couple of years now, alright. So
I saw all of our cane over there. Being right there.
yeah.
Yeah. See that cane?
Yeah.
Is there a cane?
Okay.
This cane. This cane. There years now. This cane.
Yeah. Years.
Yeah.
True.
Good eating cane.
Yeah. For real, for real. For real. So a tree growing through the house. My God, magnificent. A tree is growing through the house. My God, yeah, it's a decking, but the tree burst and go through. All right.
Yeah.
So yes, Jerry. Yeah, I don't know. It's all about farming. You have to farm to eat. All right. So yes, Jerry. My name is Everton and Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Yeah.
All right. That is the link.
Yeah. My name is Jerry, and I'm up. All about the farming.
Oh, you mean Jerry? All right, Jerry. So big up yourself. So you don't know. My name is Everton and it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut, and I'm out. Yes, my viewers. These are the yam sticks to stick the yam. You know what I mean? As you can see, the yam is up on stick. Yeah, the yam is up on stick. Yeah. These are the stick. Get it out the forest, you know? Yeah. Go into the forest for it, you know? Carry it out to stick the yam. Alright, my viewers. It's all about farming, my people. It's all about farming. It's all about yam. It's all about yam. Banana, plantain. Everything is there, my people. Have to plant. If you don't plant, you're going to be hungry, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. There are some planting here. Looking very nice along the line here, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Beautiful planting. Beautiful planting. It's all about farming, you know what I mean? It's all about farming, my people. Have a lovely corn over there. Yeah. It's all about farming.